Time leaves its mark on everything, even on legends. But true value is never lost.
In this episode, we bring an abandoned legendary Batman car back to life and return it to the road.
Join us for an unforgettable experience.
The conclusion is unmistakable. The rubber is lost. The metal can be saved.
Disassembly accelerates, but never rushes. Component after component is removed in a steady rhythm.
Preparation begins immediately. The bare chassis is repositioned within the restoration bay, centered beneath articulated lighting arm.
The Batmobile now exists as a bare chassis. This is the machine truth. The results are unexpected.
After hours of blasting, the chassis emerges transformed. The hydraulic platform rolls the frame out of the sandblasting chamber.
Larger structural repairs require decisive intervention. The camera frames a section of frame rail marked earlier for
The chassis moves into the coating booth. This is another sealed environment, air filtered to industrial standards.
The suspension is no longer restored. It is renewed, ready for service beyond its original design life.
While the chassis cures, attention shifts to components. The facility's parts cleaning area comes alive.
The engine rebuild becomes its own epic. The block rests on a dedicated stand, fully disassembled now.
Precision cutting tools engage the valve seats, carving clean, concentric surfaces. Valve
Walls. Cylinder walls are honed using controlled, motorized tooling. A uniform crosshatch pattern forms along each.
The cylinder heads are complete. They are not simply assembled. They are measured, balanced, and proven, ready to operate exactly as intended.
Ravens. The transmission rebuild follows the same uncompromising philosophy. The gearbox sits open on a dedicated bench.
The body panels begin their transformation. Each panel enters a process identical in rigor to the chassis.
Block sanding begins. Long sanding boards engage the surface in slow, overlapping strokes.
Panel after panel emerges from the paint booth wearing its new skin. Each piece is lifted carefully and transferred to...
The chassis returns as the foundation. Now fully coated, structurally reinforced, and geometrically verified.
The brake system is rebuilt from the ground up. Modern brake calipers are installed. New cross-drilled and slot.
The body panels return to the chassis. This is reassembly as sculpture. Each panel is handled deliberately.
This is more than installation. It is the moment posture becomes presence. The Batmobile stands, complete in stance.
The interior rebuild begins. The cabin that was once catastrophic is now stripped and clean, ready to receive new.
Panel gaps are verified. Measurements are uniform. Final exterior detailing.